Welcome to this informative video, where we will be discussing the pros and cons of hybrid vs diesel trucks. With the rising concern for the environment and fuel efficiency, many people are considering switching to hybrid vehicles. However, diesel trucks have been a popular choice for their power and efficiency. In this video, we will be comparing these two types of vehicles to help you make an informed decision. Now, let's start the video. Fuel efficiency. One of the biggest concerns for truck owners is fuel efficiency. When it comes to fuel efficiency, hybrid trucks are the clear winners. Hybrid trucks use a combination of a traditional internal combustion engine and an electric motor. This allows the vehicle to run on electricity at low speeds, which greatly improves fuel efficiency. On the other hand, diesel trucks rely solely on a diesel engine, which is not as fuel efficient as a hybrid engine.
Still wasting money on ads that get ignored? Let influencers tell your story. Promotional Pact connects your e-com brand to the right niche influencer to reach your target audience. Get more sales with less spent. Link in description.
Environmental impact. Another important factor to consider is the environmental impact of these vehicles. Hybrid trucks have a lower carbon footprint compared to diesel trucks. This is because hybrid trucks use less fuel, which leads to lower emissions of harmful pollutants. Diesel trucks, on the other hand, emit more harmful pollutants, which can have a negative impact on the environment. Maintenance and cost. When it comes to maintenance and cost, diesel trucks are generally more affordable. Diesel engines are known for their longevity and durability, which means that they require less maintenance over the long term. Hybrid trucks, on the other hand, are more complex and require more maintenance due to the added components like the electric motor and battery pack. Additionally, the cost of hybrid trucks is typically higher compared to diesel trucks, making it a more expensive option up front. Power and towing capacity. For truck owners who need power and towing capacity, diesel trucks are the better option. Diesel engines are known for their power and torque, making them ideal for heavy-duty tasks like towing and hauling. Hybrid trucks, while they do offer improved fuel efficiency, do not have the same power and towing capacity as diesel trucks. Resale value. When it comes to resale value, diesel trucks have a clear advantage. Diesel trucks have a reputation for longevity and reliability, making them a popular choice among truck owners. As a result, they tend to hold their value better over time. Driving experience. Finally, the driving experience of these two types of trucks can be quite different. Hybrid trucks offer a smoother, quieter ride due to the electric motor's assistance, especially at low speeds. Diesel trucks, on the other hand, are known for their strong acceleration and power, but can also be noisy and less refined. What causes a hybrid truck to use so much fuel while towing? Essentially, when a hybrid truck tows a trailer, the hybrid portion of the powertrain is not engaged during the process. In this case, the Ford PowerBoost does not use the hybrid system in the top two gears. That means the towing work is left to the gasoline engine, which causes more fuel use than a diesel truck. Should you buy a hybrid truck or a diesel truck? If you're towing a trailer often, you'll want to have a diesel truck to handle the work. These trucks offer more low-end torque and deliver the towing capabilities desired. On the other hand, if you only tow occasionally, a hybrid truck could be ideal for you. Both hybrid and diesel trucks have their pros and cons. It all comes down to personal preference and needs. If you prioritize fuel efficiency and a lower environmental impact, a hybrid truck may be the better option for you. However, if you need power and towing capacity, a diesel truck may be the better choice. We hope that this video has provided you with valuable information to help you make an informed decision. Thank you for watching.